1 carrot.
2 carrots.
2 carrots.
1 pepper.
1 pepper.
2 peppers.
2 peppers.
What are those?
What are those? Are potatoes. Those are potatoes. Great. Done. Now what do I do? Hey, are you doing your English classes with Angela? I finished, but I'm not sure what to do. I want to practice. Oh, did you know now she has a website with a whole bunch of great resources, transcripts, worksheets, summaries, as well as fun games where you can practice everything you've learned in her courses. Go to www.patreon.com/English with Angela. www.patreon.com/English with Angela. Oh wow, there's lots of fun activities to do. Run. Yeah. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. Go to patreon.com/English with Angela now to find out more information and to get access to tons of fun activities that will help you practice your English.